Hello, so today we are going to do this problem, which is part of Leetcode Daily Challenge, average salary excluding the minimum and maximum salary. So it's an easy problem today. We have an array of integers, salary, and the salary at position I is basically the salary of the ith employee, and we want to return the average salary of employees, and we want to exclude the minimum and the maximum salary, okay? So what that means basically is we get the average, except we don't include the min and the max. So logically, the simplest thing to do is just to get the sum, right, of the salaries, then exclude the minimum, exclude the maximum, and then to get the average divided by the number of elements. Now, what's the number of elements? It's just the length of the array minus 2. Why minus 2? Well, because we removed the minimum and the maximum, which are 2 elements, right? So very straightforward solution. If you want, you could also sort and just remove the first and the last element, and then take the sum, the average of the rest. That's also a valid option. And so for this solution, though, we'll just go with the simpler approach, which is getting the sum of all of them. Then we subtract the minimum, and we subtract the maximum, and then we divide by the number of element, which is just the length of the salary minus 2, right? That's how many elements we have once we remove the min and the max. So if we run this, looks like just here, just make sure this is done properly. Yep, now it should work, and it gets accepted. This is O of n because we are getting the sum of the salary and the min and the max, so O of n time and the constant space. Yeah, so that's pretty much it for this problem. Please like and subscribe, and see you on the next one. Bye.